Good morning, Shailesh.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Uh, yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
That's so, Shailesh, we are meeting first time. So, would you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my name is Shailesh Tiwari, and I am from UP, Balrampur. And if I'm talk about my education qualification, I am doing BTech in 2021 from mechanical engineering. And after that, I am done the 10-month intensive in ISET Tractor Limited, and I am currently working as a quality engineer in a steel plant as a quality engineer. And nowadays we are focusing on my English communication skill. How can I improve my English communication skill? And if I talk about my hobbies is basically reading book, listening audio book summary and autobiography. And sometime I will watch the some motivational speaker. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, nice to hear about you. So, Shailesh, let me introduce myself. My name is Varsha, and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And as a
Yes, yeah.
language enthusiast, I have started my YouTube channel focused on English conversational videos. Yeah, that's all about me. So, Shailesh, I have started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take first step towards their journey. So, my
Yes,
question is
ma'am.
that when did you think about learning English?
Ma'am, actually, I have faced some problem in my due to my English communication. If I'm working professional, and if I'm trying for my job switch, then I will face the communication issue. Actually, I want to switch my career in IT sector, and you know very well, ma'am, IT sector are need the advanced English communication skill. Yeah, and that's the time I face the embarrass. I'm not selected for interview round. That's I want to improve my English communication, and English is very important, ma'am. Like that time in any sector, if you know the English, then your confidence are also boost, and you should represent very effectively anything and describe any problem and solution in front of your boss, in front of your company management, and some other things. Yeah, that's nowadays we are focusing. That's the reason I'm focusing on my English communication.
That's fantastic that you thought about learning English. So, another question is that how did you start your journey? Like, what was the first step towards speaking or learning?
Yeah, ma'am. Nowadays we are follow 2 to 3 steps. Basically, first is, ma'am, listening. Listen a lot English conversation. It means that I am change my environment from Hindi to English. It's like that the YouTube, social media, and some other platform. I will change totally. Yeah. And in YouTube, we are give the time of 1 hour for active listening. And along with, I will doing the shadowing practice with the help of subtitles. And if I talk about my English speaking practice, yeah, firstly we choose the one topic and prepare some content regarding to topic and revise 2 to 3 times. And after that, we talk in front of camera and record myself video. Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, I will follow that. Yeah,
Yeah, that's great. So, this is all about like learning. So, how do you rectify your mistakes? When you record yourself,
yeah,
then you watch
yeah.
yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, after recording my video, and after that I will evaluate my video when the I'm taking pose, what is the my body posture, and my intonation are that time is good or not. These types of I will note down my mistake in each and every video. Then day by day I improve my English. Yeah, mistake. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so another thing is that vocabulary. You know, vocabulary plays a vital role while,
Yeah, what
yeah,
a role of speaking. Yeah.
yeah. How do you learn vocabulary and how do you use that vocabulary in your communication skills?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I'm learned some words firstly, and first word, and after that, write down the pronunciation of word, and make the some sentences of these word. And after that, we are trying to use my daily conversation 2 to 3 times. Then I will remember for speaking time. Yeah.
Yeah, that's also a great tip that you have given, that you
Yeah.
are learning vocabulary word and then you are using at least 2 3 times in a day and in
Yeah,
which
in a day.
words.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so tell me something about pronunciation also, because it is also plays a
Pronunciation is no, I'm not much good doing, but if I find out some word I'm not properly pronounce that, then I will copy the word and paste in the Google translation. And the one best part of Google translation is Google translation provide the speak button, yeah, speaker button. If you click on the speaker button, then you listen the proper pronunciation of word, yeah. And after that, I will repeat 2 to 3 times. And if I have some doubt, then I will write it, yeah, regarding word pronunciation. Yeah.
that's
Because
some
if I'm no, yeah, because I'm not right, then I will skip from my mind. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, then again we face the same problem.
yeah, these are the ways that we can learn things, that every person has different ways. Like some persons they believe to write, and some persons they believe to only listening and then speaking. So different ways are there.
I also read. Yeah, I also write some paragraph after we speaking. Yeah, preparing sub point and points. After that, we listen, read properly, arrange the sentences of when I start, when I stop, and what is the my body context of speaking. These types of I will make the layout of my speaking. Yeah, actually I speak only 10 to 12, 15 minutes. Yeah, in a daily basis on in front of camera on mirror. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. And like how many months or how many days you are practicing?
Actually, not much more month, ma'am. Actually, I started my preparation before 20 days ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Like you are speaking well. So this is a great thing that now you are speaking, and if you practice every day, like everyone says that consistency is the key of success, and practice
Yeah, correct.
can. So sooner
Yeah.
or later, event, and you will be able to express yourself, and definitely you will crack your interview as well.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Shailesh, nice to talk to you. Like before going or before wrap up our session, so you want to give any final tip to our co-learners who are just thinking in their mind that okay, I'll start learning English. So how they can
Hmm.
start this journey?
You start learning by listening. Firstly, you engage with English content one a week, one a month, and if you have remember that words in your mind, then you try to some point and words, then you try to speak that word. Yeah. I mean, firstly, listening. Your mind are used to of words. If you don't know the words, then how can you speak? Then, firstly, engage with English content. Listen storybooks, animated cartoon, any podcast who know the person who speak very well English. Then follow it. Within a week, you should improve your listening skill. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's great idea you have given to our co-learners. At least they have to start their journey by
Yeah.
listening and
Listening.
then every
Yeah.
day. So sooner or later they will be able to speak at least starting,
Yeah.
and then they will take their first step. So definitely they
Yeah.
will.
I actually we are the Hindi native speaker. Yeah. But then if I'm children, then how I can learn English? No one teaching Hindi, but I'm listen my
Yeah,
mother, parents, and environment person, and I will process it in listening 2 to 3 year. Yeah. In child person or not speak within after 2 to 3 years, then properly listen 1 2 year and response and process it. After that they try to speak putti putti Hindi type bolta pehle. So yeah, man, actually that's time that there is
uh,
a similar thing in English. If you not listen properly, then your mind are blank of word. Yeah.
yeah. So this is not a pill that you have that pill and you
Yes.
will next day and
Yeah.
overnight. It's not a overnight thing.
Overnight.
Will
Yeah.
take it will take
Yeah.
time, and be
Yes.
consistent, and don't be afraid for learning this
Yeah.
language. Simple language. This is not a rocket science. So yeah, at least they can start their journey. So nice to talk to you, Shailesh, and it was great conversation with you.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Nice to meet.